this is your order number 5 nylon zipper fill sealing machine. So this is our QLQ standard configuration. So now let's operate the machine to see the working situation. 可以开机。 Okay, now this zipper is from your side, which after getting already. So you see, the fill come from that side. And then now let's see the result. Okay, and see, okay, you see, it has been welding very well. So that is our QLQ standard configuration fill sealing machine for nylon zipper. The output is about 1,000 or 1,100 pieces per hour. If you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Okay.